Hi everyone, let's solve this interesting equation. We are asked to find all real pairs of values of x and y satisfying this equation. So we have our solution from the question. We have x plus y equals to 5. Then square root of x plus square root of y equals to 3. So we express from equation 1. Let's take this as equation 1. Then let's have this to be equation 2. We express y in terms of x using equation 1. So we have y will be equals to 5 minus x. So that we assume that to be equation 3. So we now substitute the y into equation 2. So we have from equation 2 square root of x plus square root of y will become 5 minus x equal to 3. So here we isolate one of the radicals. So let's isolate this. So we now have that to be implied square root of 5 minus x will be equal to 3 plus square root of x. So from here we square both sides. So this squared cancel the square roots. So we have 5x equal to, then we expand the right hand side. So we have, if we expand this, we are going to arrive at 9 minus 3 square root of x minus 3 square root of x plus x, and this can simply be written as 9 minus 6 square root of x plus x. So we have at the left hand side 5 minus x. So 5 minus x will be equal to, so we can put this as 9 plus x minus 6 square root of x. So we have 5 minus x, 5 minus x equal to 9 plus x minus 6 square root of x. So from here, let's have this expression move to this left hand side. 5 minus x minus 9 minus x equal to minus 6 square root of x. So this left hand side then becomes minus 2x minus 4 equal to minus 6 square root of x. So we can multiply both sides by minus. So we have 2x plus 4 equal to 6 square root of x. So from here we can factor out 2 from this left hand side. You have 2 into bracket x plus 2 equal to 6 square root of x. So we can divide both sides by 2. So this cancel out this. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. we are left with x plus 2 equal to 3 square root of x. So now we square both sides. Then we have 3 square root of x raised to power 2 equal to x plus 2 raised to power 2. So this will be written as 3 squared then x. So this cancel out this cancel out this, and this squares the 3. So we have equal to, so when we expand this right hand side, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4. So this now becomes 9x equal to, when we move the whole of this to the left hand side, so we have minus x squared minus 4x minus 4, all this equal to 0. So we can rearrange this as minus x squared minus 4x plus 9x minus 4 equal to 0. So now we have to multiply by negative sign. So this gives us x squared plus 4x minus 9x plus 4 equal to 0. So we now have x squared. So this becomes minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. So we need to simplify, factorize this quadratic equation. So to factorize this, we have x squared minus x minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Then we have x into bracket x minus 1 minus 4 into bracket x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 4 equal to 0. So we have then x equal to 1 or x equal to 4. Now we need to solve for y. To solve for y, so we have that at x equal to 1, so our equation 3, which is y equal to 5 minus x from equation 3. So y will then be equal to, y equals to 5 minus 1. Then y equals to 4. So that is when x equals to 1. So we have y to be equal to 4. So we now have at x equal to 4. At x equal to 4, what is y? Y will be equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Then y equal to 1. So the possible values of x and y here that we are asked to find are x1, which is equal to 1, then y1 will be equal to 4. So when x, which is x2, equal to 4, then y2 will be equal to 1. So these are our possible values of x and y. Then let's verify this answer. For verification, so we have that x1, y1 equal to 1, 4. So from our equation, square root of x plus square root of y equal to 3. So if we insert this, we have x1 plus y1 equal to 3. So we have x1 is 1 plus y1, which is 4, equal to 3. So from here, square root of 1 give us 1. Then square root of 4 equal to 2. Is it equal to 3? So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And that is equal to 3. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So for the second pair of value of x and y, for x2, y2, which is equal to 4, 1. So we have that from our x, square root of x2 plus square root of y2 equal to 3. So we have square root of x2, which is 4, plus y2, which is 1, equal to 3. So square root of 4 equals to 2, plus square root of 1 equal to 1, all equal to 3. Is that equal to 3? So 2 plus 1 equal to 3, which is equal to 3. Then this proves that left hand side also is equal to right hand side, which proves and confirm our solution. Both pairs satisfy the original equation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Do like and subscribe to the channel. Share the video as well to your loved ones.